This is John with Cruising Addicts. Today we're going to take you on a tour of a deluxe ocean view cabin on the cruise ship Carnival Venezia. Sit back and enjoy the tour, hit that thumbs up button liking this video, and subscribe to our channel for more cruise content. Happy sailing! Cabin 2342 on cruise ship Carnival Venezia, and this is a deluxe ocean view cabin. This cabin sleeps three. You have a pull down bed, a Pullman bed is what they call it, I believe. Up ahead, it's a twin, it'll pull down. Then you have a sofa here, coffee table. You have a lamp here at the end of the sofa. You have two twins here that'll push together to make a queen. And you also have two nightstands and two lamps as well. You have a nice size window with a good view outside. And you're down pretty low here because you're on deck 2. You also have some nice blackout drapes that you can close so it's not so bright. And a decent sized television. Very nice TV. You have a vanity / desk here with a stool, trash can. You have a couple of drinking glasses and a tray, and a couple of bottles of water as well. These are ordered. These are optional. They're not free, of course. You have to order those pre-cruise. You have your telephone. You have several outlets here. That's a 230 outlet. You have two 120 volt outlets, and you have some USBs here as well. Lots of places to charge your devices. You also have a very nice mirror with a really nice frame, that gold leaf look, and some shelves. 3 shelves. There's your TV remote, and down below here you have a fridge / cooler. Oh, it opens the other direction. And it feels pretty cool. This is a newer fridge. They're not, I wouldn't call them a refrigerator. It's more like a cooler. They're not going to be super cold. And of course the stool down below pulls out and you can sit on that. And you got your hair dryer here. Now you do have 3 lockers here, good size lockers to store stuff. Several shelves up top. You got your punch key safe here, and you have 3 drawers, 3 really nice sized drawers you can put stuff in. Really nice to have those. And then you have another double locker here. This one is a full length, so you can hang clothes. There's plenty of hangers there, your life jackets. And you have a full length mirror besides the mirror there at the vanity. And your bathroom here, of course. On the other side, you have another locker here that's split in half. You have a shelf and then a lower section. Put bulkier items, maybe suitcases, if you don't put those under the bed. And the location of this cabin is on deck 2, and you can see the red dot. We are aft. Do you see the red dot there? Right next to the aft elevators and the aft stairwell. You have several hooks here, very nice looking Italian themed hooks to go along with the Italian theming of the ship. And another one right here between the 2 bathrooms, actually. So this cabin has a split bath. And also here in the hallway you have the thermostat to control your temperature of the room. Now this bathroom is split. On the inside of the door you do have 3 hooks there at the top to hang towels or whatever you'd like to dry off. You have this nice glass. It's really not glass, it's more like plastic shower door that encloses the shower instead of a shower curtain. And this ship has a combo shampoo shower gel product instead of the two separate products. This door just swings out. And you have a clothesline here. You pull that out and you can put it over in that receptacle over there, and that'll give you a clothesline to hang clothes on to dry. You have a grab bar here to the left. On the right, you're going to have your shower head that's removable, and you can adjust that pattern by turning the dial there. That comes off. You can adjust the height of that. It'll go up and down. Just slide it up and down. You have to loosen the knob there on the right. And then your shower product, you got a soap dish, and your controls. One side is the heat, or one side is the temperature, and the other side turns it on and off and controls the pressure. Typical shower of Carnival, with the exception of this glass door. This is something that's different than a lot of the ships. And of course, you have your toilet. You have several towel racks here, and you have a makeup mirror. You have some marble looking shelves, and I really doubt these are marble. I think they're synthetic. And you have a nice mirror here, with the exception of me and the reflection. But good sized mirror, and it's got like a light, LED light along the side of it. Really cool. And this cool looking Venetian style or Italian style vanity. It has a wood look and has a fake marble countertop. Really cool. This is just one half of the bath though. Normally this is all you would get in most cabins. But in this particular type of cabin, you're going to have a bonus feature. And we're going to show that to you. You have a second bathroom, which is very nice if you have folks that take a long time getting a shower, because you have a combo shower tub. Really unique, really cool. And you can take a bath in this if you're a very short person, but most likely you would use it for a shower. And it has pretty much the same shower setup as the other bathroom. You have your combo shower gel shampoo, soap dish, you have a grab bar. But really cool. Comes with a shower curtain. So if you're in a crunch and everyone has to hurry up and get showers, you have two showers you can take advantage of. I really like that about this cabin. Very nice feature. And then you also have some towel racks here. And you have a mini version of the cool Italian style vanity, and you have another sink, and as well as some shelves here, and another makeup mirror also. A lot smaller mirror, but very useful. Overall, a great addition to this cabin to have the second bathroom. We hope you enjoyed this tour of a Deluxe Ocean View cabin on the cruise ship Carnival Venezia. If you did, hit that thumbs up button liking this video, subscribe to our channel for more cruise content, and check out our website cruisingaddicts.com. Happy sailing!